defamatory and demeaning allegations against Shandesh. With reference to the above matter, we act on instructions of Ms. Shandesh and on whose instructions we direct this letter to all individuals concerned. We confirm that our client was previously in a romantic relationship with Ms. Mohale, popularly known as Mimi, and their relationship ended few months ago. It is our client's instruction that the involvement of a name in personal matters of Ms. Mohale is not only defamatory but undermines her dignity, and as such, we have been instructed to inform all relevant parties concerned that our client does not take responsibility for the behavior of Ms. Mohale and Ms. Mohale's affairs, be it personal or business or brand related. Our client confirms that Ms. Mohale is aware that they had parted ways for their own personal reasons, and as such, it remains defamatory for those who may be involved with Ms. Mohale to continue dragging her name in the murky waters for their own relevance or popularity. As such, we wish to point out that our client will be pursuing legal action against those who have defamed and undermined her name, reputation, and dignity despite her non-involvement in the matter. As such, you are hereby requested to desist from spreading false and defamatory statements against our client, who has no interest and who is not in any way involved in the personal affairs of Ms. Mohale. We confirm that our client elects our address without limiting the generally thereof for the purposes of all future communications, correspondence, legal process, and notices in relation to this matter. Take further notice that our failure to address any aspect in relation to this matter should be construed as a waiver of our client's rights. We reserve on behalf of our client the right to do so at any appropriate forum. We trust that you find the above in order, and we will appreciate your regard to our client's integrity and dignity and her respect to herself and others. Yo, I've never struggled to read njengamanje guys, ini nizongixolela mina. Kodwa yeah man, yeah, bekuyi-statement lesi sika esipostwe uShandesh, you know, a statement nje esipostwe uShandesh after lento beyitrenda namhlanje nje regarding uMimi. Yazi nje lento beyitrenda namhlanje nje self-made Barbie, ukhipha ama-screenshots, uyakhumbula nje lawo ama-screenshots nani, and yeah, somehow nje uShandesh naye, her name was in the mix and everyone was talking about her. So that's why I released a statement just to, you know, say, hey, mina ngizingeni lezi. uMimi uyazi ukuthi mina naye kudala sahlukana. Apparently they broke up like few months ago, you know. So yeah, and they're no longer together. And she, yeah, ukhonfirmile vele uShandesh manje ukuthi they're no longer together. So iyo leyo ke indaba injalo ke.